Good morning student, welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area branch. Again student, number system, exercise 1F. Here question number 15. 15 का second. X to the power 1 by a minus b and the whole bracket 1 by a minus c into x to the power 1 by b minus c and the whole bracket 1 by b minus a into x to the power 1 by c minus a and the whole bracket 1 by c minus b is equal to 1. That means the total value is equivalent to 1. You have to prove this. Okay. So here student, first of all LHS sign. Okay student, first of all student, you have to know what is the cyclic order. Cyclic order is A, B, C. 3 points lie on a circle. Suppose A, B, C lie on a circle. Then A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. This is the cyclic order. Here we can write A minus B. Here we can write B minus C. And this is the C minus A. This is the cyclic pattern. Okay. But in this case, 1 by A minus B. This is the B minus C and this is the C minus A. Okay. Under these three values are in a cyclic pattern, but the highest power means the upper power is not a cyclic form because 1 by A minus C. This is the form of C minus A, not A minus C. So take negative means take minus common of the upper. Okay. Take minus common of the upper term. So here student, x to the power 1 by A minus B and take the negative value here and 1 by C minus A because this is the form of cyclic order C minus A and x to the power 1 by B minus C as it is, but take here minus 1 by A minus C because this is not a form of cyclic order. Okay, but the last step is x to the power 1 by C minus A and the whole power is again C minus B. Here is the B minus C. So take minus common and write down here B minus C. Okay. We know that a student according to property A to the power x and the whole to the power y because here is x value is this and y value is this. Okay. Then we can write here A to the power x into y. That means these two values are in the form of multiplication. So student, we can write here x to the power 1 by A minus B into minus. So we can put here minus 1 by C minus A. Okay. Into x to the power again take minus 1 by B minus C into 1 by A minus B. This one. And the last term is x to the power 1 by C minus A. Take here again minus into 1 by B minus C. Look at here student. If base is equal, here the base is x, x and x. Base is equal, then power is added. Okay. So write down here x to the power minus 1 by A minus B and C minus A because here the operation is multiplication. So we can write both terms in a single way. Okay, like this. Into here is the positive plus, but this sign is minus. Okay, so plus minus minus. So here directly we can write minus 1 by B minus C and A minus B. Again positive sign, but this value is negative and positive negative is equal to negative. So write down here directly negative 1 by C minus A and B minus C like this. Okay student. X to the power, what is the LCM? What is the LCM of these three terms? Okay, here the LCM is A minus B because A minus B is repeated in 2 times. Look at here A minus B, A minus B. B minus C, B minus C, and C minus A, C minus A. So both are repeated in 2 times. So take one value as a LCM. So A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. This is your LCM part, okay? And A minus B matching means cut down, and C minus A cut down. B minus C is multiply here. So here write down minus bracket B minus C. Again minus B minus C matching, A minus B matching. So we can multiply here C minus A. C minus A. Okay. Here is the minus C minus A, B minus C. So here multiply A minus B. Okay. Then after x to the power, multiply minus in all the term. So we can write here minus B plus C, minus C plus A, minus A plus B, divided by, this is your LCM part, A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. So here minus B plus B cancel, plus B minus B cancel, plus C minus C cancel. So what is the result here, student? X to the power 0 divided by A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. Okay. So keep in your mind, student, two different things. First one is the anything to the power means 0 divided by any number. Okay. Any number. 0 divided by any number, result is always 0. And any number divided by 0, result is always infinity. So keep in your mind two different things. 0 divided by any number is always 0, and any number divided by 0 is equal to infinity. So we can write here x to the power 0. We know that, student, according to laws of exponent, anything to the power 0 is equivalent to 1. This is your proof. Okay, student, I hope, student, you will understand this question. 15 second. The next question is question number 17. If 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 2 into this value 3 to the power minus n by 2 into minus 2, okay, minus 27 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 3 is equal to 1 by 27. That means this information is given. Okay, this information is given. You have to prove m minus n is equal to 1. That means you have to prove, according to this relation, m minus n is equivalent to 1. Okay, student? Let us see. Here 9 to the power 3. 9 to the power 3. So we can write here 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. The whole power is n into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power minus n by 2 into minus 2. Okay, minus 3 to the power 3 and the whole power is n divided by 3 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 3, and this value is equal to 1 by 27. Okay, student, look at here. 2 and 2 is cancelled, minus and minus is equal to plus, and this value means 3 to the power 2 and the whole power is n. We know that this value is multiplication form, so we can write here 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power n. Look at here, minus minus plus, and n value is positive, minus 3 to the power 3 and n is multiplication form, so we can write here 3n divided by 3 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 3, and this value is equivalent to 1 by 27. 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. Okay, student? Third step, 3 to the power 3n, 3 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 2. We know that if base is equal, then power is added. So adding only these two terms. Okay, student? This term and this term. Don't add this term. Okay? So here the power is 3 to the power 3n, because 2n plus n, 3 to the power 3n into 3 to the power 2 minus 3 to the power 3n divided by 3 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 3. Okay, student, what is the common between them? What is the common between them? Because this is the one term and this is the another term. Okay, in these two terms, student, 3 to the power 3n and 3 to the power 3m is the common between these two terms. Okay, so take the common. 3 to the power 3n is the common, and 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9 minus, here is the 1, okay, divided by 3 to the power 3m into 8. Okay, student, is equal to 3 to the power, if this value is in numerator, then we can write 3 to the power minus 3. According to this property, student, if suppose 1 by a to the power x, 1 by a to the power x, and this value can be written as 1 by minus x, because if this value is shifted upper, then this sign is changed, means here is the positive and this value is the negative. Okay, so 3 to the power minus 3n. Look at here, student, this value 8 and 9 minus 1 is 8, so this is the cancel. And 3 to the power 3m, 3 to the power 3m, 3n divided by 3 to the power 3m. 3 to the power 3n and 3 to the power 3m is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Look at here, base is equal, then power is subtracted. So we can write here 3 to the power 3n minus 3m is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Okay, student, this is the property. We know that a to the power x divided by a to the power y. Then we can write here a to the power x minus y. According to this property, write down this. And one more property, student, here, a to the power x is equal to a to the power y. Then we can write here x is equal to y. Look at here, if base is equal, then power is also equal. In this case, student, again base is equal, 3 and 3, base is equal, so power is also equal. Then we can write here 3n minus 3m is equal to minus 3. Okay, then what is the common between these two terms? Minus 3. Take the minus 3 is the common, then sign will be changed. If negative value takes common, then sign will be changed. That means positive is converted into negative and negative is converted into positive. So this value is the positive, that means m, and this value is the negative, n, is equal to minus 3, and minus is cancelled, 3 and 3 is cancelled. So finally, a student, m minus n is equivalent to 1. Hence proof. This is your proof. Look at here, student, m minus n is equal to 1. Here is also m minus n is equal to 1. This is your proof. Okay. Okay, student, I hope, student, you will understand question number 17. Your homework is, today homework is complete. Homework is complete exercise 1G. Okay, student, today homework is complete exercise 1D and do fair. Okay, student, this is your homework. Today homework is complete exercise 1G, because this question is the second last question of exercise 1G, because total number of question of 1G is 18. This question is 17. So, student, complete exercise 1G and do fair. Okay, if you have any problem, if you have any query, ask me. Okay, thank you.